This is our way of giving back to the community.
It's good to help out.
This is a statewide emergency. They're just really at the bottom.
Yeah.
I've never worked in a food bank.
Pretty easy.
There's slow moments, there's fast moments.
Cutting open boxes, cutting off the plastic.
The boxes come by, just put the cans in there, push it away.
We're making boxes for the people that were affected by coronavirus that don't have a job right now and can't get any food.
Where does the first go?
We're stocking them up with a lot of fruits and vegetables, just trying to help out the community here in Merced.
They're, I guess, a little bit understaffed. Quite a few of their people are like in their 60s or over 65, so it's good that we can get in here and help out, cover for those who aren't able to be here.
Those bags are for people in need, for families. It feels pretty good to come out here and then work and just try to help out the community.
We've been filling and stacking boxes, filling them with cans, unperishable goods, making sure that they aren't too heavy. We're helping relieve the volunteers that aren't here because of the coronavirus. I was thinking about that as I was packing the boxes, and I was like, people really need these. And all this work right here is helping.
I wanted to learn how to be of service to others, and this is actually, like I said, I'm really enjoying it, so it's definitely putting me on that path.
To give back to the community is a very important thing.
Them actually seeing us and knowing what we're all about is a really good thing, and we're helping them out.
It's a good feeling. I'm glad to be able to help where I can.